Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're joining me today, chances are you or maybe someone you know has recently faced a very specific, incredibly stressful household scenario. Yep, I'm talking about a stuck washing machine. It is never a fun time. But hey, don't worry. We're going to dive right into our sources today to figure out exactly how to handle this emergency, safely and effectively.
Okay, let's jump right into this. Just picture this scenario. The power just went out, and your washing machine is just sitting there completely full of water. It's this sudden, completely unexpected appliance blackout. And your absolute first instinct is probably pure panic when you realize your clothes are basically held hostage inside. The thing is, modern washing machines use these electronic locks that actually default to a locked state during power outages. It's a built-in safety feature. So while it literally feels like you're permanently locked out, the biggest takeaway here is, please do not panic.
Right off the bat, our sources hit us with a massive warning, and it is crucial. Never force the door open. I know, it is so incredibly tempting to just yank that handle to rescue your laundry, but trust me, that is the worst instinct. If you force it, the source material makes this abundantly clear, you could permanently damage that locking mechanism, and worse, you're gonna flood your entire floor with all that trapped water. It is a huge, soapy mess just waiting to happen.
So instead of creating a miniature indoor pool and adding mopping to your already stressful chore list, let's shift gears. The source material outlines a really safe, methodical solution to this whole chaotic problem. We're gonna walk through a step-by-step emergency drain protocol. It's structural, it's totally safe, and it is absolutely going to save your floors and your machine.
All right, let's look at the preparation phase, which is super important. First things first, ensure you unplug the washing machine if it's still connected to power. Safety first, right? Next, look down at the bottom front panel of your machine. You're going to see a small access door down there. Go ahead and open it, but before you do anything else, grab a shallow tray or a really thick towel and slide it right underneath that specific area to catch the water that's about to come out.
Now here is where it gets interesting. Behind that little door are basically two hidden mechanical lifesavers. According to our guide, you'll usually find a small emergency drain hose and tucked right near it, the drain pump filter. They are just sitting there behind that front panel, literally waiting to be used for this exact nightmare scenario.
Let's move on to the primary draining method. To drain that drum safely, you want to slowly remove the cap from that emergency drain hose. Honestly, the key word here is patience. Washing machines hold a surprising amount of water. It's kind of like a bottomless pit. Let it flow out little by little. Seriously, do not rush this step. You just have to wait until the drum is 100% empty, maintaining a really slow, controlled flow into your tray.
But what if you look behind that panel and, wait, there's no drain hose? Hey, it happens. Don't let this roadblock stress you out. Our sources actually detail a perfect backup plan if your specific machine doesn't feature that little hose.
Here is your alternative plan. Carefully loosen the pump filter instead. We're shifting our focus to that filter we identified a second ago. But, and this is a huge but, we need to keep our approach very, very cautious here.
And this perfectly illustrates the contrast between the two methods. Our sources give a very specific warning regarding the filter. You have to turn it slowly because water will come out immediately. Think about it, with the hose, you had a cap to kind of control the flow, right? But with the filter, loosening it breaks that seal right away. It takes extra care because you are going to get an immediate rush of water. So I can't stress this enough, turn it slowly.
Okay, so what's really cool about this next step is what happens after the water is completely gone. There is actually a secret feature located right next to the filter area. We are talking about the hidden manual door release.
Let's walk you through these final, honestly incredibly satisfying mechanical steps. First, just locate that hidden manual door release right next to where you were just working. Then, give it a gentle pull, and boom, the washing machine door should unlock. You've just bypassed the electronic lock completely safely without forcing or breaking a single thing.
And there we have it. You can finally safely remove your clothes without wrecking your machine. By just taking a breath and following this calm, step-by-step explainer, you basically just saved your laundry, you protected a really expensive locking mechanism, and you definitely saved your floors from a tidal wave of soapy water.
Our sources wrap this all up with a pretty great reminder. Like and subscribe for more washing machine tips and quick fixes. Honestly, it's just so smart to have these kinds of structural guides in your back pocket before you actually need them in a panic.
So, as we wrap up our explainer today, I'll leave you with this to chew on. Are you actually prepared for your next household appliance emergency?
It really makes you think about all the other hidden rescue features built into the appliances we use every single day. They're built with these mechanical lifesavers for a reason. Stay curious, stay empowered, and hey, next time the power goes out, you'll know exactly what to do.
Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe.